everybody, it is Pink Perky Poodle here, boop boop, and today I'm going to be reviewing, hey, I wasn't gonna review you, why are you here, come on. Well, can't I have fun ever? Yes, but today's a review, not a trade. Yeah, but, isn't this my show too? I mean, I love doing the Pink Perky Poodle show, and one day I'm going to have like a awesome thing about a show about me on this one channel. So, let's just get the show started, even though I kind of already stole the show for today. So, let's just review what we're going to review. Let's get on it! Okay, why is it not here? That is very, 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 very odd.
I'm sorry, I kind of took the toy away. Because I want it to be about me today. That would be awesome, right?
Yeah, but it's not about you. It's about my show. Come on, let me do my show, and I'll give you 5 pieces of candy. Okay. Just stop doing that. You need to get out of here. Thanks for taking up all my time today. Well, guys, I want you guys to subscribe to Pink Perky Poodle, like and comment on this video, and bye-bye.
Yeah, bye everybody. Bye-bye.